यहाँ रखे इसके ऊपर. That looks beautiful, Manya.
Beautiful. Can I pour it, boy?
Ooh. It's all
Mama, try.
to my wife.
Yeah.
Say something. Are you guys ready for the fun?
Yeah.
What we are making today?
Is it lemon cake?
Lemon cake.
Okay.
Action. All right. Whole lemon. One whole lemon. We're going to cut this lemon from the half
Watch out, you have, bro.
and take the pits out. Boop, boop. Do you know what we call this, Manya?
Lemon.
Good job.
7 and 5.
We'll put this in
Yes,
here.
miss. There. No. It stinks.
What this stinks.
It stinks.
Now time to crack the eggs.
Don't crack one egg.
So you're gonna put on here this one, okay? I'll put it.
Oopsie. I don't know.
Put it here. Good job. Greek yogurt.
Hey, that one's good for me.
Oh, one is enough.
Also, don't give me it.
I can help you if you want.
Yummy. Time to mix it up.
Just wait out.
I have the clean
What?
spoon, Papa. How much?
Wait, 200 grams.
Okay.
This way.
Papa, let go.
That's enough. Take some out because it's more than 200. Very enough. Alright, so we put this away now. We pour it here. Good job.
It's all mixed up yucky.
Now we're gonna bless this one first.
Whoa.
Or we do 200 grams of flour also, then we
But
bless.
how we can blend it up? We need a lid. Lid.
We have lid here, sitting over there. Self-raising flour set. Are you full, darling?
I'm hungry.
Are you hungry? We have a spoon here, Money. We got 2 spoon here already.
Can I do that?
Huh?
Can
So
I?
300 gram flour. You hold it, Father.
Yeah.
Hold this one. 300 gram, okay?
Okay.
Slowly, slowly.
I was trying to
And what are we gonna do now, Money?
pour this and that.
Okay, we're gonna bless this first, and then we're gonna pour it. Okay?
Do you have to?
Here's the lemon. Ooh.
Can I lick that spoon?
If you want to. Taste it. How does it taste like?
Yummy.
All the way, all the way. Press it. Here.
Mommy, jeep ka जाएगा.
दोनों बंद. राजा आप बहुत टॉल हो जाओगे बेटा, तो उसमें आप आओगे. आप
Didi can don't wolf me. It's so hard.
hard?
Salad.
now you can mix it. Mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it up.
That looks like a machine. Powder on. Try it, Didi. It's yummy. It's strawberry side. Let's see what the. Try it. Don't open it.
It's so careful. Good job. That looks pretty.
That's great. I think you can do it.
You can do it, yes. Come on.
I am a chef, but
Come on.
try it.
यार इसके ऊपर That looks beautiful, Manya.
Beautiful.
Come out. Woohoo.
No, mister.
Wait, we'll pour this on top. Let us come inside. Woohoo. Who's gonna try it first? Try it. Come here then.
Mama said that. Mama wants to try one piece.
Alright, let's go. Come here, Mama.
I'm waiting for a piece of plate.
It's all-
Mama, try.
This is my wife.
Yeah. Why are you feeding Mama?
But this is my wife.
But he's not a baby.
She's not a baby, so what? Pussy Papa.
You can't.
Say good job, Papa.
Good job, Papa.
Love you.
Love you.
Mhm.